Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to copy and paste range or chart as picture with Kutools for Excel. In some cases you want to copy and paste a range of chart as a picture so that it only can show the data but cannot be edited. In this tutorial I will tell you a method to easily copy and paste range or chart as a picture in Excel. If you have Kutools for Excel installed, you can save the range or chart as an auto text entry and then insert the range or chart as a picture at any time if you need. Select your range, click on the Kutools tab. In the editing group, click on the insert drop-down list, scroll to the bottom and select the resource library. The resource library pane pops out and select the range you want to add to the resource library. Then click the add button and then specify a name for this new item. Also select a group you want to add to and click add to finish. And when you need to insert this range as a picture, just need to select a cell that locates the picture, then enable the resource library. After the resource library pane shows up, find the range and click beside the range and click on the insert as and select picture EMF, and as you can see the range is imported as a picture. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.